The donkey in there, is he? You're looking for the donkey? You're funny, aren't you? Oh, look, he's in there.
It looks like a normal room, yeah?
It looks like a normal room, yeah. But they have a donkey in there. I have a window on the side there. Hello, sir. How are you? Are you good? Did you ever see a donkey in a hotel room? No, I haven't. You wouldn't know it. No. It's beautiful around here. The scenery. King Carl. Beautiful scenery in the background here, guys.
The hotel was nice with great hospitality like always. We left through the back door of the hotel into the farms exploring how the locals harvest their crops. It really seems like the dates were the majority of the harvest.
But he just insisted that I give you one each.
Thank you, sir.
If you don't want to eat it, just keep it in your hand. Just like being polite.
Dates out of tree. We're gonna look at the guy up here. He's climbing. He's up on top of the tree, pulling the dates down. That's a crazy job. Oh yeah!
In this specific area, most of the people were Berber. They were so welcoming and provided us with so many free dates. The energy and the vibration we had while walking around was magical.
We need the bag because everywhere he will give us.
Oh my god!
We need to collect them in the bag. You have a bag there? The house and they clean it, the process of cleaning. Yeah. He said that actually they eat it as well before it gets clean because basically it's natural and the wind and you know what I mean, it gets cleans the dates so they are not as dirty because there is not any chemicals here to clean back. It's just the earth and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But he said the cleaning process is only to get it in a package so you can seal it, but they eat it like this because it's from the tree, like you know.
Yeah, vitamin B. Amazing.
Oh, I think we might have some tea in there or something.
Holy shit.
The water is turquoise. It's like it's not even like. I know something special about this water.
It's very clear. The water was turquoise, and I've never seen water so crystal clear before, as the water comes directly from the ground, and the fish have grown naturally. It's magic what nature can do when you let it do its own thing. Hello, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Get on the donkey. Berber people are often portrayed as nomad people crossing the desert on camels, but most are farmers in the mountains and valleys throughout northern Africa. Shukran, my friend.
He's calling you. Come back.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Good.
أنا عشان واحد يشرنا.
Keep forgetting.
أسيت.
الله يرحمه والدينا الله لا تمخت. She said keep eating.
Happy on days. Munch. Munch.
شو رفعت السواد؟
Alleen lunch, niet tijd. Ah, hallo. Buongiorno. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum.
Do you want more dates?
I had enough dates.
Everybody's over in dates now.
A sugar rush, man. from the locals, we got all these dates. Carl is taking them all out of his pocket. We didn't pay anything for these, we got them all free. They wanted to keep giving us dates, we had enough. We had no room to put them in our pockets.
There, look at that. They're big juicy dates, all soft and all. Let's open it.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Look at that. It's like a dessert.
The dessert. Oh, tasty,
Like
tasty,
cake.
tasty, tasty. Our next destination was the Gorge Daddys, which was on the other side of the cliffs. The area which now forms the Gorge Daddys lay at the bottom of the sea millions of years ago. After leaving the aircon on, the car went completely dead. So we had to push the car several times. That didn't work, so then we hot-wired the car from a few locals, and then we eventually got the car started. I was afraid we were going to be stuck in the valley for the night. Oh wow, look at this.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Marhaban. Assalamu alaikum.
We don't need to on the side. There is many
You like that?
choice.
You have all the Saharan outfits. With the Berber outfit.
Ah, the baby.
Yeah man, that's flashy. Bling bling. Hey hey.
You can make it small.
Jewellery store was the most welcoming store I've been to within Morocco. The Berber people knew how to deal with customers in a special manner. There was a special energy we all felt within the room.
Happy.
Take care of him because they are
Don't worry, happy. I will give him my car.
We even had fun haggling with them because they made it stress-free. The city is also based beside a silver mine, so that's why the silver was so cheap.
But the only thing is like
Yeah,
so you put in your head what price and we make them a good price.
It's money. It's money.
That's money.
It's money.
It's still money, isn't it?
What's that?
50 euro.
That's okay, guys.
Movie business.
But I like the way they are doing it. It's really cool and that's not really.
Okay, where there?
Yeah, go for it.
It's like a game.
على هذيك شحال؟
500. أربعة حاجة.
Okay.
750 ها. I told you price with no bargaining ها.
Yeah.
اوكي واخا ماشي مشكل ماشي مشكل.
هاي لا 50 هاي لا 50
صح
الله يرحمك.
أربعة خلي غرض.
انا نقول لك على 700 ها هي with no bargaining.
Yeah.
I 30 with bargaining. 750.
السلوت زيت والو. السلوت زيت إيه no don't worry about clean or
No,
we clean
it's
them.
very important for me.
يلا كذا.
They clean with lemon.
Okay, okay.
Even lemon?
Aye, don't clean with the
Just
chemic.
Just lemon.
Yeah.
Don't use any product or
Okay.
Yeah, with lemon. So.
And you know that's a good
Okay,
business.
yeah.
واختصر. صافي السلام عليكم مسؤولية اليوم تاول صافي شكرا اخي بارك الله فيك ثانك يو فيري ماتش الله يحفظك بارك الله فيك هو تسا اش كذاك النار غير بيغ واحد
How much?
والو خلاص نو بوسكيت نقصص شيدي نو
There's all these carpets, look.
open your camera.
I will, yeah.
Look at the colors.
Oh, I miss.
Euro, you make good money.
I don't know internet. I don't know.
I seriously? Where did I see the beans?
I'm so glad I waited.
Lentil and beans, Carl. How's the taste?
Yeah, it's a nice one, yeah?
Look at that, man. Two beans. How is it better than at home?
Yeah.
Yeah. Moroccan style.